Hi, my name is Marsha from Camping Savio, and today we're gonna make a healthy recipe together with you. It's going to be a smoothie bowl, a healthy smoothie bowl with lots of fruits, which is really easy to make, and it's perfect for lunch and it's perfect for breakfast, and it's my favorite. So, what do you need? So let's get started. So first I'm going to put the things that need to go in the blender into the blender. A banana. There we go. The almond milk. And the berries. The frozen berries. So now it's time to cut the toppings. Then the strawberries. So, ready. Right. That looks nice. So I hope you guys are joining me so far because we're almost there. We have our smoothie bowl ready and we have the toppings ready. So now we're gonna start with the finishing touch. There we go. So thank you for watching. I hope you made our recipe. You can find everything that you need in the comments, in the description below the video. And let us know if you made it, if you like it, if you want to see my next recipe, because then we're gonna make another one for you. Enjoy it for now and thank you.